That's the guy I'm talking about. So guys, that's the guy I'm talking about. This is the guy I'm talking about, guys. And so the guy's name is Michael Darby. He was married to this lady. Her name is Ashley. So they're divorced. She was on a show called the Housewife of Potomac. And so she started snitching on him. And she started talking about Michael's investments in Somalia. And this has caused a lot of controversy. So apparently Michael is reportedly one of the largest landowners in Somalia. This guy. Yeah. Says this guy is the largest landowner in Somalia. Shocked me. I'm shocked. And apparently this has been out for a while, but I never got hold of it very well. But here we are today. We're talking about it. So Michael, real estate portfolio, and this was shared on TikTok too as well, by the way. To Michael connections in Somalia. While he's okay, many real estate investors own properties internationally all over. And Somalia is very rare. I've never seen, but you know, I'm not surprised anymore. So he's an investor in Mogadisho and a property and land owner in Mogadisho. So there is a 2013 feature in Washington Post written that says Michael owns land in Mogadisho, Somalia. And so he's making a lot of money from it. He's from Australia. He's Australian born. Sorry, he's not American. He's an Australian born. My bad. I apologize. And he's the principal co-founder of Ornament Realty that is based in Washington, D.C. Again, I'm not surprised he's based in Washington, D.C. And so this is what it's all about here. And so Ashley and this guy divorced, and so man, Darby needs to marry a Somali, and he needs to be. I don't know how you guys feel about that. I don't know how you guys are feeling about it. And so anyway, I was shocked. I was shocked about this. I'm surprised. Anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Maybe you guys can go in and more in details and find out what's really going on. I saw this and I thought maybe it's something that's interesting and fun we can share and talk about. There is a wealthy white Australian that owns a huge tract of land in Mogadishu, Somalia. What do you guys think? Isn't that crazy? I was shocked and surprised too. Anyway, Yusuf Hajj at Hajj Daily. Thank you for joining me and sharing if you have. And the gift, thank you. Much appreciated.